Hey guys, today we're gonna make sushi roll. For this project, I will use gold, red, green. These are for the vegetable, for the sushi in the center. So if you don't have this color, you can change to any color you can find. And white for rice, black for seaweed. You also need a 3D printing pad and tape, and a piece of recycled paper and masking tape. These are optional. If you don't have this item, that's fine. You can still make it work. Without further ado, let's get started. Now take a piece of recycled paper. Depending on the size of the sushi you want to make, then you make this accordingly. Now this will be the size of your sushi roll. Now we're going to use masking tape. Just tape it along the line here. And do the same on the bottom here. So this will be the guideline for the edge. Now in the center part here, this is optional, you don't have to do this. But I like to put a clear tape on top of it so it's easier when we're working on it. Okay, so now we can start working on it. So now we have the size of our sushi roll. Only the white area and the center here. Now I'm going to start working on the outside, the seaweed part, so I'm going to use black for seaweed. I'm going to set it on the slow speed for the edge. And then go along the edge on both sides. Once we have our edge done, we're going to start working on the center part here. And we can speed up so it will be faster. I'm going to set it on 6. Okay, now we have finished the outside of the sushi. So now we're going to take it out. Now we're gonna use this and make a circle. Okay, now we're gonna make a circle outside of the edge. It's black, inside is white. Change our color to white. Okay, now we're going to do the center for the rice part. Okay, now we have 2. We're going to add some vegetable in the center. Okay, now we're just going to group all 3 pieces together. Finish our 3D sushi roll. If you like this video, remember to give me a big thumb up and make a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see next. And subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!